Hello, 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 hello. You guys like the shirts? For sale in my closet. It's for sale in my closet. So this says it's an extra large, but no way in hell is this an extra large. It does fit me oversized. I would say this fits more like a medium. Like this, I don't know. Champion sizing is so weird. They're almost as bad as Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret sizing, we all know, is just crazy. But yeah, anyway, this is for sale in my closet. I bleached this myself. There's the back. There's the back. So yeah, if you want to purchase this, it's in my closet. Okay, Poshmark Q&A, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I just filmed another video. I'm filming on the light on my camera. I'll link it down below. I'm not using my ring light because we don't have power right now. It's great. Happy Monday. Welcome to Monday. It's Monday, no power. It's great. Hey, quick question. Would you consider doing a video where you review our Poshmark accounts and tell us your honest opinions on them and what we could do to better our closets? We could put our closets in the comment section, and that'll basically mean we're okay with our Poshmark accounts being in the video. I think this would be a cool, helpful video. Oh my gosh. Okay. I would love to do that. I don't have time to do that though. I honestly don't. I was doing closet consultations. I was charging money for it because it takes time to go through someone's closet and review it and, you know, stuff like that. What's the matter? What's the matter, babe? I used to do closet consultations. It was great, but it took a lot of time, and I can't do them anymore. Thank you for thinking that my opinion is worthy enough, I guess. But honestly, I don't have time to do that anymore. It was fun, but it was very time consuming. This person said, "Hi Vanessa, I follow you on YouTube as well. Love your videos. You have so many great tips." Thank you, Beth. She says, "I'm a Poshmark seller and also sell on Mercari and eBay. You mentioned in a video a few months back that you found a really hot item to sell on eBay. You said that you might share it with us. Will you share, please? If you want to just keep it with me, I would appreciate it." Okay, so yes, I did mention in a video, this was back in November, December. I found an item that was selling crazily. It's still selling. It's not selling as crazily as it was previously. And I'm still not going to tell you guys what it is just yet. I will give you guys a hint. It is not clothing. It's actually a food item. Which is crazy. A lot of you guys are like, "Oh, I bet it's this. Oh, I bet it's this. It's this clothing item. It's this." Or it's a toy, like, what was really popular in Christmas? Oh, the Cocomelon toys. It wasn't that. It's a food item. And that's all I'm going to say, because it still is selling. It's not as hot as it used to be. But it's still selling. So I think once it, you know, fizzles out completely, then I'll tell you. But yeah, that's all I'm going to tell you for now. It's a food item. Crazy. And actually, I haven't tried it yet, so I don't even know if it's good. Next question. What is PoshFest and how can I attend? So PoshFest is an event that Poshmark has every year. Pre-COVID, it was an in-person event. I think it was 2 days. Was it 2 days long? I think. Do you guys hear the wind outside? It's crazy. Can you guys hear that? I'm gonna turn up the volume so you guys can hear that. So yeah, previously it was an in-person event. Now it is online. I had never attended it in person. I attended the online one, and it was, I mean, obviously, you know, it was their first time doing it. Have they announced a PoshFest for this year yet? I don't know. It was I don't even remember when the hell it was last year, but it was last year at some point. It was on Zoom and on YouTube. And tickets were $25. Well, they were either free or $25. If you paid $25, you got a swag bag and you got access, or supposedly got access to certain rooms. The swag bag, it wasn't really worth it in my opinion. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen this year with PoshFest, if I'll purchase a ticket again or if I'll just do it for free. I don't know. You know, but obviously it was their first time doing it virtually, so, you know, it wasn't as good as it could have been, I guess. These last comments, they're not questions, they're just comments about something that I mentioned in a previous video. Somebody asked me if I get a lowball offer, do I decline it or do I counter offer? And I said to always counter offer. That's just That's just how I feel. I stick by it. You should always counteroffer. But this person said, I've learned to decline offers on eBay. It tells the buyer that I'm not playing their game with lowball offers. More often than not, the buyer comes back with a more reasonable offer, but that's just eBay. So I agree, every platform is probably different. No, you said declining it tells them you're not playing the lowball game. I also think countering tells them that you're not playing the lowball game as well. But this person summed it up completely, and I think this should sum up like everything that I mention in videos, because I just give you guys tips and tricks and shit that works for me. It might not work for you. So just always keep that in mind when you're watching my videos, because I do get comments sometimes, like rude comments being like, well, I do this and it works for me. It's like, okay, that's great. Like that's how the world works. Some things work for some people, some things work for others, you know? So I guess just keep that in mind when you watch my videos. But this person summed it up very nicely. And this, again, going back to offers. I got little people knocking on my door, I gotta hurry. Okay, so this person says, declining an offer does not necessarily mean you're going to lose the sale. True. Countering an offer doesn't necessarily mean you'll make a sale. Also true. I decline any offer that does not work for me. No exaggeration, 9 times out of 10, the buyer counters with something more reasonable. That's very good numbers, because with me, when I decline an offer, they don't make another offer. So again, different things, different strokes for different folks, right? Is that a saying? Does that work? This person says everyone is different and runs their business to their liking, which is true, totally true. Again, everything I say in these videos are, you know, things that work for me. There are some things that are just like, you know, you gotta do this. Like, this is just like proven it works for everyone. Like, if you want to make consistent sales on Poshmark, you have to be active on the app. Like, that's just, you know, there's really no denying that. Like, yeah, you can be inactive and make, you know, the occasional sale, but again, if you want to make consistent sales, you need to be active on the app. And that's Poshmark alone. That doesn't go for other platforms. That's just Poshmark. So again, just keep that in mind when you're watching my videos. You know, and I've had some people, you know, try something that I suggested and they're like, oh my God, I can't believe I wasted my time doing this. It didn't work for me. It's like, okay, it might not work for you. It worked for me. I just want to tell you guys, you know, so you can try it to see if it works for you. It's not like, I don't know. I feel like some people come to my channel and they're like, who is this bitch? She thinks that everything she says is, you know, the right thing and you got to do this. I'm like, no, it's not me at all. I just like to tell you guys what works for me, and then maybe, hopefully it'll work for you too. I'm gonna go now. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.